Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. The WP Manage Ninja team is working on a new plugin. It's called FluentPlayer. As the name implies, it's a media player for videos and audio files. I've gotten a look at the beta. It looks like it's going to be a really nice plugin, and it has a cool set of features that I wanted to show you. So this is a look at the early beta, a preview. I've got a testing site where I've installed the free and the pro version of FluentPlayer. If we go into the admin, you see you get a menu area for FluentPlayer. You have media, playlist, analytics, and settings. So here, for example, just in testing, I added 2 videos from YouTube. Then you can set up playlists. There are analytics that you can turn on, so that'll be interesting. And then settings. These are where you set up your global settings, which you can override on individual videos. So you have different layouts for the player, aspect ratios. You can auto resume playback to remember people left off. You can add custom CSS, custom JS for the player. You can set up your branding, upload a logo, and then pick where you want the logo to show. You can set up integrations for email marketing. So they have already Fluent CRM and MailChimp or webhooks. So most modern email marketing platforms support webhooks. And you may be wondering, what do email integrations have to do with a video player? And I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, you can set up your authorization keys. If you're using Bunny CDN, you can set up some options for YouTube. You can enable analytics. You can add an integration for Google Analytics. And you can export your email list. So I've set up a testing page, and let's go in and edit it. And I'll add the player. So what we're going to see is we have a lot of the same options we had for our global settings, and this is where you can override those, right? You can pick where the media file is coming from, or in this case, since I added a couple of videos to the library, I'll do that. Okay, this button lets you go back to the media selection area. But then over here, right, you can override the global branding and add custom branding. You can have a title overlay, this here, which you can turn on or off. You can change the poster image, and you can set the aspect ratio. Okay, but then this is the load strategy. So I have it set to load on click. What that means is, in combination with this poster image, you can have it so when your page loads, it doesn't automatically call out to YouTube. The default WordPress YouTube embed, when the page loads, it calls out to YouTube to get the video file. And as a result, then that can slow down your page load. And some people see that as a privacy issue. Okay, so you can set up your loading strategy, whether you want autoplay on or not. Play inline on mobile. Again, remember playback option, and set up an image for the end screen. You can have different video player layouts. You can create chapters. I don't know if you've used tools for this. It'll be similar, where you kind of scrub through to the beginning of a chapter. You have the time here. You give it the chapter title and click Add Chapter. Then you can set up text overlays. So this is kind of cool. Again, you can have it time-based and how long you want the overlay to show for. And these will be your little call to actions here You have the text and a link, so you can have a link in the middle of the video to take someone to a resource or something like that. I'm going to come back to this interactive layers. You can set up multiple languages. You can upload captions. You can create timestamp links. If you want to share, like in your article or your landing page or something, a link directly to a part of a video, you can create that link. Here you add additional CSS classes. But this interactive layers, this is the cool feature here. So you can add layers for Fluent Forms, a call to action, email capture, hotspot, play ads, or from a shortcode. So this is kind of cool. Like we were asking, what does email marketing have to do with a video player? This is what it does. And you can allow skipping so people can keep playing the video. They can click on a skip link, but you can also set it so it doesn't allow skipping, so you create an email sign up gate. And you can then customize that. Okay. Like here, I have the free version of Fluent Forms installed. I'm just going to select the subscription form, and you can set where you want it to show. So like say at the 5-minute point, set the form width, the form height, where you want it to show, and whether or not you want to allow it to skip. So I think these are theme colors here. So I'll just choose a background color, and we'll click update and save. And let's go view the page on the front end. I inspected the page. It's not loaded the video at all. Let's go to just before the
This is David McCann.
5-minute mark and start playing.
Is the custom taxonomy, and then there are a couple.
And there's the email sign up form. All right, so I just wanted to show you this because I thought these interactive layer features were pretty cool. They have a website already up for FluentPlayer. It's fluentplayer.com. You can go there to join the waitlist if this is something that looks like it might be interesting for you. So I hope you found this preview of FluentPlayer interesting. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.